Good morning. It is June 21st and we are in Huntington Beach. We will be resanding this floor down, making it look as clean as possible. This is a very last minute job. Gentleman's moving in on this Friday and today's Tuesday. So we're going to work really hard to get this done in time. Now you can see all the worn out spots. And over here, if you take a look at that, that's where they put tape down. All that. They put tape down, I guess to hold down a rug, and it damaged the finish. But you see all these worn out areas. Over here, areas where they never had any stains because there was a fridge. And it looks like it might have been the stove. We continue here to the back. Here is the hallway. Going to be sanding down. This is the main room. They had some type of repairs in the past here for something. You don't really know why. Apparently they had some kind of wall here. And somebody else repaired it, not us, but we're not here to fix that part. We will not be touching the closets as per their owner, or the gentleman that hired us, excuse me. You can see we already started a little bit of sanding here. You can see how it's coming off already. This is just the beginning, so still got a little ways to go. And the final room. And the big question is, what caused that? There's two spots just like this here, so we don't know what they had here to create this pattern. No idea. So we figure, if not done tomorrow afternoon, maybe early on the third day. Let's see how this turns out.